In the lesson today, what I'll do is just work you through some mixed operations with fractions. And just a reminder that many of you will have heard this called BODMAS. Okay, so BODMAS. Just call it the order of operations, which means that you evaluate the expressions inside the brackets first. So you do your brackets first. Evaluate any powers next, or indices next. Then you evaluate multiplication and division running left to right, and then addition and subtraction running left to right. Okay, so here's our first problem here, and it's 2/3 plus 1/8 times 1/9. And the rules of order of operation says that the multiplication has to go first. So we put down 2/3 plus 1 times 1 is 1, 9/8 are 72. Okay, so hopefully our common denominator or lowest common multiple of 3 and 72 will be 72. Let's just check whether 3 does indeed go into 72. 3 goes into 72 2 times, remainder 1. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So this needs to be times by 24, and this needs to be times by 24. And we've got 48 over 72 plus 1 over 72, which is 49 on 72. A quick check on 49, and we'll add the digits together. That's 13. 13 is not divisible by 3, so 3 will not go into 49. So we're done there. Reminder that you can check on your calculator if the fraction can be simplified. So 49 on 72, you just use your N on D button on the Texas Instruments calculator, and it can't be simplified, so that's our best answer. Right, this one here, so we've got a division problem, but this is an index. Okay, so we've got to do that first. So we're going to say that this equals 1/5 divided by 1/4 times 1/4. Okay, now that's 1/5 divided by, and 1/4 times 1/4 is 1/16. Okay, so what we do is when we divide by a fraction, we change that to a multiply and flip that fraction, and then we've got our answer as 16 on 5, or 3 and 1/5 if it says 2 converted to into a mixed number. Right, our last example here is we've got some brackets here, so that has to get done first, and in the brackets is this division. So let's go 2 multiplied by 1/8 plus 3 on 2. Dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by fraction's reciprocal. Okay, divide 2 and divide 2. Cancel that down to a 1. And what I do is I rewrite 2 times 1/8 plus, let's multiply, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. So this is 1/8 plus 3. Is it going to be easier if I just stick 3 and 1/8 on and times by 2? What I'll do is I'm going to convert this to a fraction of equal parts. I'm going to times that one by 8 and times that one by 8. So I've got fractions of equal parts. So I've got 2 times 1/8 plus 24 on 8. Now I can finish off the brackets here, which is 2 times 25 on 8. Now with multiplication, we can put that over 1. We can simplify going across 1 and 4. So our answer is 25 on 4, or 6 1/4. All right, so there's the problems that I want you to put into your notebook. And then there's a worksheet on the Firefly page that I want you to open up. I'm going to try and pop it up on the screen here. Where is it? So in the Firefly folder, you'll find there's several documents in there. So topic 3 is fractions, and the one that you want to do is Thursday class, do order of operations with fractions. It's this document here. Okay, so you're just going to work through those questions there, and there's the questions, and these are obviously the answers here. Okay, all right, good luck.